Hey guys, on Wednesday, October 9th at 8:30 p.m., Hurricane Milton hit the west coast of Florida. This was our first hurricane, so we did what we could to prevent damage. This wind was intense. Just listen to that. It was a lot worse. This was the aftermath. Just walking around our property, this tree that was close to the back end of our house, not quite out of the ground, but it definitely took a hit and it was leaning, and it was about to, last night it was like hitting our house and all that fun stuff, but unfortunately we had to chop it down because it was up against our house and it probably wouldn't last another storm, so we had to get rid of the tree. We did lose a part of our fence that we were able to fix. Luckily, none of the panels broke on it, so we were able to just put it back together. This fence was knocked down in other areas as well. There's like a little floodplain back there, and the rest of the fence didn't do so well either. A lot of our neighbors' fences were down, and not a lot of people had more damage than just fences, so we were pretty lucky in our area. Just pieces of fence everywhere. I was just happy that we were able to fix our fence. And there's my puppy Chili. She is ball obsessed, by the way. Just watch this. She will not take her eye off that ball. She really wants her ball. Yeah. So we did put tarp on our back window with sandbags on top of it, so that helped. And on Wednesday morning, we have 2 palm trees in the front of the house. So we kind of trimmed that and we put them on the side there. And here, all in this area, is all flooded. This corner is just so saturated. It was a little worse than I thought it was. I thought it was just in front of the window, but it ended up coming all the way to that corner. Still not too bad, but we'll just soak it up with towels and have fans on it. It'll dry up. Not too bad. Here's a higher view of those fences that broke. But walking around the neighborhood, it literally just looked like there was tree debris, like just leaves from the trees, a little bit of sticks. One of the street signs were down. But otherwise, like I said, our area, fortunately, was pretty lucky. But we are thinking of our fellow Floridians who weren't so lucky. Everyone, I hope you're safe and well. Thanks for watching.